Hi, my lovely Arians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Arians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2024. Please note it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, I think I was connecting to someone specific. Someone out there is caught in a lot of negative slash toxic situation, a lot of negativity, lot of jealousy, projection of lot of jealousy, bitching, bickering, overall lot of negativity. It could be office politics, or it could be politics in your personal life, someone playing games, mind games, someone who has been close to you probably. There are a lot of secrets, there are a lot of lies, okay, and overall it was very negative energy, negative space to be in. The question is that how long do you want to put up with it? Do you want to just you want to just ignore this and put a blindfold on your eyes and pretend that nothing is happening, or it's not the case, or you want to walk away from this negativity? The choice is yours, guys. You definitely are at crossroads. Yeah, it could not be, it might not be a might not be an easy decision to walk away, especially if this toxic situation is concerning or related to any relationship, okay. But guys, the question is up, and till when are you going to be a part of this this negativity? Someone has really backstabbed you. They have hit you where it really hurts, okay, really hurts. Do you still want to continue? Do you still want to give chances to this person or this situation? The choice is really yours, okay. Very very painful energy coming through, very very uh, yeah, very very hurtful energy coming through, and very frustrating energy coming through. But yeah, I mean, to whoever is going through this, a lot of hugs to you guys. For others, someone is kind of in awe of you, like they have this childlike admiration for you, and they really really find you super attractive. They are in literally awe of your energy, the way you carry yourself, the way you talk, you speak, your confidence. Now this need not be a romantic relationship only, though I saw lovers card. So the chance of romantic admiration or adoration or emotions are very high, but it could be someone even, sometimes at office, in office, or at office place, we like someone, we like someone who some the way someone dresses, shows up, like someone's aura, energy, okay. That kind of admiration could also be there, okay. So yeah, those were some of the messages, guys, and with that, let's get started and let's see what we have for you in your main reading. Actually, this is what I was talking about, and let me keep this card as well for that. Lot of struggle, either ways, okay. So, are we good with the camera? I think we are, right? Yeah. So, guys, your health card is showing up as a fool. So someone probably is in the energy of, it's just one life, and I don't want to restrict myself, and I don't want to just punish myself with lot of diets and lot of workout, and just keeping check on my health, okay. I want to break free, I want to let loose, I want to just binge and just do whatever I want to do and I love to do, okay, which is which is not wrong entirely. I completely get that. I mean, yes, it's one life, though we though we though not technically or literally, but at least consciously we have this one life in our hands, and we should really enjoy and do whatever that gives us pleasure. But at the same time, having said that, make sure that you are not ending up compromising your health. Okay, make sure that you are drawing that healthy line, healthy boundaries. Yes, do binge, do give in, do eat whatever you want, albeit make sure that you're doing it in proportions, you're doing it in healthy boundaries, you're not going overboard to the extent that it starts impacting your health. Okay, so yes, jump off that cliff, go ahead, enjoy, but at the same time, know your risks. Okay, see where you are landing yourself up. Okay, make sure that you are not inviting any health issues, you're not compromising your health, and you are not, going or reaching a point wherein it becomes an unhealthy pattern or unhealthy habit for you. Okay, so that's what this fool is telling, guys. For some of you guys, you might have started something new in terms of your workout. Maybe you have started going for a walk, you have you have enrolled yourself to a gym maybe, or have started new diet, keto, intermittent fasting, or whatever, something new, so you are experimenting basically with your body and what suits you. Okay, which again is a good sign. Overall, it's a good energy. Comes with little risk, especially in the former case that I spoke about, but yeah, nothing alarming per se is what I would say. Your current energy is 9 of Wands. By the way, guys, I'm yawning. Though I had taken my afternoon nap today, it's a weekend, but I don't know why still I started yawning as when I was doing your reading, and it's still continuing. So if at all you're not sleeping well, please do take care of yourself. Make sure you're getting ample and required amount of sleep. Your current energy, by the way, 9 of Wands talks about someone really being very, very super duper exhausted. No wonder I'm yawning actually. So while pre-shuffling, I had seen 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords also. So like I said, some of you guys are definitely headed towards closures, closing cycles, and such period, the closures, the more you're near to endings, it becomes very, the things are flared up, and the things are heated up, and it could be very tiring, it could be exhausting, overwhelming. Okay, and that precisely what your current energy is. Someone is really tired of battling it out, putting up the brave front always, and you really want to put that wand down and relax and just let go and rest. Okay, you are that exhausted. That's what I'm getting. And guys, please do take a break, because Hermit is in your crossing energy. Someone has been carrying a lot of burden probably, and it is really high time you let go of it and start thinking of yourself. You need a break. The Hermit in blocking side position is telling me you really need a break from this negative situation, toxic situation. Break from some toxic person maybe, or if you have been overworking, you need a break, you need a holiday. Please go ahead and give yourself that. You not only need it, you deserve it. Okay, such breaks, they kind of help us reboot. They kind of help us rethink, and they help us cleanse our vibrations. Okay, shift our vibrations. So you must take this much needed breaks, and in your case, I definitely think you need this break. Okay, also guys, some introspection is needed about some situation. Like, are you banging the wrong door? Are you making a wrong choice? Please ask yourself the right questions, rather than asking why me, what me, why me, why this is happening, blah blah blah. Make sure that you are asking right questions. What is it that I need to learn? Am I not learning my lesson? What is it that I am not seeing? Okay, and am I doing the right thing? Ask this sort of questions, introspect, and then act accordingly. Okay, put yourself first is what I would say. Again, it's not selfish. Even if it is very much needed, Aries. Okay, to whoever needs to listen to this, guys. Somehow I feel this is turning out to be a specific reading, in which case I truly am sorry. I truly apologize, because it's not in my hands. This month has been good in in terms of readings, because many different kind of messages were coming up for other signs. Yes, some signs, rather yours is the one, only one I would say, who is, which is so specific, but otherwise it has been a good month. It has not been specific for other signs. Anyway, your advice is King of Swords, guys. Definitely, like I said, you I don't remember I said this, but you really need to communicate your point clearly. You need to draw strict boundaries. You should, I am not saying if you're being defensive, don't be defensive, but be very assertive and be very clear. And set the expectations, that okay, this is not acceptable, and it is not acceptable coming from anyone, from this anyone for that matter. Okay, so make sure that you're setting those boundaries really loud and clear. Okay, also guys, weigh your pros and cons and take action, because it is really time to take action for you guys, is what I was getting right from pre-shuffling. There is no point sitting in the toxicity or waiting for someone to come and help you or rescue you. No, you out to help yourself. Okay, so please do that, and you know do good research, and then hit the nail, is what I would say. Okay, but definitely it's time to act now, is what I was getting. Strong air in your energy, guys. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, if all you have air in your birth chart elsewhere. Okay, or you could be dealing with an air sign, is what I'm getting. Need not be, but the possibility is very high. Your output is Two of Wands. Like I said, some of you guys could be at crossroads, where you'll be, where you'll be you'll have options to pick from. You'll have to choose from something. It could be a tough choice, but like I said, little homework, little due diligence will definitely help you arrive at the right decision. Okay, yes, you have to choose, but that is very clear and evident by now, right from your pre-shuffling. You cannot keep on going like this. You have to take one option, is what I'm getting. Okay, some of you guys are waiting, for your ships to sell in. Okay, but don't wait for too long. Okay, I think someone out there is really lacking taking action, is what I'm getting. Talking about your overall energy. See, currently you are exactly like this, guys. You are actually, feeling stuck and stagnant and helpless. So like I said, you out to help yourself. No one is going to come and rescue you. There is no a knight in shining armor coming your way, or Prince Charming coming your way and removing those blindfolds for you. If that happens, nothing like it. I would be super happy to know that, but in most of the cases, it is you who have to help you. Okay, so please don't wait too long. You have already allowed lot of toxicity. You have already put yourself in a lot of negativity. You have tolerated a lot. Please don't go in circles. Okay, set yourself free. This Wheel of Fortune and this Eight of Swords together and this Three of Wands is telling me that you are waiting unnecessarily now. You're really out to take action, is what I'm getting over here. Okay, Emperor, Hierophant, and Queen of Wands. Some of you guys, I feel that some of you guys could be, you could be turning religious also. Praying a lot. I don't see anyone meditating here. I don't see spirituality happening here, but you guys are definitely turning religious. Okay, maybe you are chanting some god or some planet, maybe like Jupiter or Saturn, or maybe you are turning religious, visiting temples, praying a lot, praying religiously, which is not at all bad. Okay, which is not at all bad, but you should also club your actions. You should meditate a little to calm yourself down. I also feel that there could be marriage on cards for some of you guys. This marriage could be between two mature people. Okay, for some of you guys, this could be a case of second marriage. By the way, I saw Sun card which had a child on it, which tells me somehow that someone might have child slash children from earlier marriage. I also feel that your person could be someone who is sitting in a very authoritative position, if this person is in job, then this person is at a very high designation, like VP, AVP, director, D level, or man into leadership level of role. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly, like whose career is very very sorted, and this person has a lot of power, holds a lot of power, and has the or calls the final shots, is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, this person finds you extremely attractive, like I said, I think I told this, right? That someone really finds you very very attractive. Taurus and Sagittarian energy coming over here, your own energy, Aries coming over here. Okay, also guys, some of you guys need to bring some discipline in your routine. Okay, currently you might be little haywire, maybe because of the challenges in your life, but there is no routine, and you really need to start having some discipline and routine in place in your day to day life, is what I'm getting over here. It's time to take control and reins in your hand. Maybe you can talk to, I really feel you I really feel that you guys might even consulting someone who is little senior, very wise. Maybe you could be taking legal advice from someone. Okay, you might be consulting a lawyer. Okay, some legal advice being taken over here is also I'm getting for some of you guys. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Let's pull one card from this beautiful deck, guys. Go wild, lighten up. Wow, this is kind of oh my god, Leo is showing up so much. Aries and Leo is showing very strongly. You have Leo in your birth chart somewhere, or you're dealing with fellow Leo. Lighten up and go wild is what the angels are saying. Basically, don't take things too seriously, don't take life too seriously. Just get into this fool's energy. Okay, let yourself loose, break free. Okay, let your hair down and enjoy the lighter side of life, is what the angels are saying. And such a sweet message. We really need to do that sometimes, taking life too seriously, getting caught in the rut of life, and you stop enjoying life, is what I feel sometimes. Okay, letting loose is really really needed, is what I completely agree. And such a beautiful message. I actually needed to listen to this. I've been so worked up of late that yeah, I really like this message. Leo, sorry about that. Arians, I hope you're listening to this and acting upon it as well. The full energy is reiterated over here, guys. Since we are we have hit the mid year already with the blink of an eye. Let's take stock of the situation. Let's see what lessons your soul needs to learn for the remainder of this year. Okay, adversity, I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Wow, such a lovely message. At the bottom of the deck is peace. I am a being of love and I release all the negative energy. Definitely you really need to let go of the negativity, toxicity, and walk away from this. At the same time, you need to accept that challenges are thrown our way so that we can learn and grow. Okay, learn and grow as a human, learn and grow as a spiritual being, as a soul, so that it can ascend to another level. So if you start approaching all the challenges with this mindset, trust me guys, it actually helps us cope faster. That's my personal experience. Very beautiful messages by the angels from the oracle cards, and I really like them. I myself will contemplate on these messages, guys, though this is not my reading, but I really like the messages that are rendered by from the higher realm. Okay, yeah, Arians, that was a lovely reading. I loved doing this, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If so, do let me know. If not, then also let me know. I would like to hear from you. Okay, I'll see you next one directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.